Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 90 of the Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spill Coffee Crafts, and it's a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes of your day, you would see what you could make. So, the last session we made this over the page, like, I don't know what to call it. It's decoration is what I'm gonna call it, because you can use it as a pocket, tuck spot. You could use it as a, well, not really a belly band, but you could use it as a tab or a bookmark or different things like that. Anyway, so I've went on ahead and I made this and added the stuff together and stitched it off camera, somewhat off camera, and I'm glad I did because I ended up breaking my needle. So, but yeah, so we're going to decorate this today. So let's go ahead and get started. Our 10 minutes. And so we're going to have something, we're going to decorate it so it can show on this side as well as on this side. All right, so I've got different things that I'm considering using. I'm not real sure yet. Kind of like that. I might glue that on there. Not 100% sure. I've got some rub-ons and stickers and just different little things. I don't know. I might put this one here. Or I might just put this on this side. I think I'll put that on that side. Maybe put this here. And then some decorations in the backdrop of it. Let me see how that would look with this. Maybe if this were coming out. Maybe I'll put that over here. So it looks like I'm going to be doing a layout and decorating this over the page thing. Not real sure yet how I'm going to do what I'm going to do. But I do, let's see, I would like to have something coming up out of this bottle. I think that's cute. So maybe I'll use that. Perhaps I could use this leaf right here. I don't know yet what I want to use. I'm just piecing stuff together and see what I can come up with. Let's see, surprise candy. We do need some words. And I haven't, like I said, I haven't even thought about what words I'm going to use. I'm just playing around and seeing what I come up with. And these are a lot of like pet tape type stuff, like stickers and whatnot. And so I'm trying to see what it's going to look like. I don't know yet. This may end up turning into a 3-day thing. Like, y'all, I don't know. Let's see. Might put this here. And put that there. Not real sure. Or I could put the little bird over here and put the owl right there. That's kind of cute. Maybe have this coming out. Still slide that over a little bit. Let me turn this like that. Not sure yet. It's like I'm decorating that more than I'm decorating this. Let's see. And like I said, I've got some rub-on transfers. Not sure. I could use words. Oh, this is a cute butterfly too. I might use it on that other side. Find a cute word. I think I'll do that. I'll find a cute word to put in behind this. So let's see. Well, I guess I should see what it's. I could leave it on here so I can see what it's going to look like when it's actually on the page. Move all this over here. Yeah, I feel like I haven't got anything done. It's been 5 minutes already. Happiness, resolve, trust, life, home, love, embrace, happiness. Smile. I think I'm on. Yeah, because I can cut that out. Let's see. Let's cut this word smile out. And I'm going to do the rub on transfer. Hopefully it's going to work. These came from Dollar Tree, so not that I'm trying to shade Dollar Tree or anything. I'm just hoping that this is going to turn out good. Find something to rub it on. Just get like a little brush or something. Popsicle stick would work too. Just whatever you have. Okay. Well, I can pick it up. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. And then I'm going to glue on the jar because I do like it. Hopefully it's going to stick pretty good. And this glue will dry clear, so I'm not too worried about it right now. And then, where did I see that little floral piece that I wanted to put in up underneath? I think I'll put this up underneath it. We've only got about like 3 minutes left, y'all. And then I think I'm going to put, let's see, should I put this here now? Where did I have that leaf at? I think I'll put this here, just cause. And it's good to start gluing stuff down the moment you think about considering using it, if you're going to use it. Oh, did I tear that off? Here's that leaf right here. About like 3 minutes. I'm going to try to get that on there. Maybe another little small flower. Might have to use a different type of flower for that. Yeah, I think it's going to turn into 3 days. I had not planned on it doing that, but it might. Because I don't know what I'm going to put on here. I do want to use like a little mushroom. But like a small mushroom. One that's not like too overwhelming. Something small enough and skinny enough. Maybe this is cute. We'll just use this right here. That's cute. Put that there. And then, have I used that one already? No, I have it. Surprise candy. I'm just going to, we'll decorate that one on the next day, but we're just going to go ahead and try to finish it. Oh, well, at least we got this side done. So I guess on the next session for day, I guess it'll be day 90, we will finish the other side. So this is what we have so far. Just the one side of the, what do you call it? Double-sided, over the page decoration. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.